Chicos. Hello, is anyone there? I'm testing some gear I got today. If you listen to me, well, I need to check it out on my phone because the tablet is too far away to check it out what is going on. But I'm trying some audio gear I got for the future interviews. So I wonder. Siéntate, tío. Siéntate. Ven a jugar. Yo, otra. I need to put this more like this so you can check it out the feel. I don't know if you can see something like this. I need my phone. So check it out the comments because I need to know if someone is listening to me. Hold on a moment. I need to connect my Facebook and check it out. What is going on? Mita. Okay, I'm watching myself here. So let's check it out the comments. Mita. Okay, I'm watching myself here. I saw Andrew and Michael Wester. Mikael. Mita tapato. Mitä kuka pois? Ei se haita, tutane. Pois esa. Missä Vovi on? Okay. Okay, we are here in front of my home once again, and we have 14 degrees. Totally, I could say, and I can say this is the most hottest day of the year, and it's totally spring. You know, it's May 2nd and it's spring. So this is what most of the Finnoscandians we have waiting for almost six months. So I'm testing my new gear because this is the thing I was gonna use for future interviews, and we're gonna make some outdoors interviews with some band members when they are coming to play to Finland. And this test is especially for the upcoming Lumos festival. Hi Andy, hi Andreas, Sarkanis Lupus, drummer. Andy is the guitar player of Rhombus. And yeah, this is what I live. In winter it's a little bit depressing because it's snow and cloudy, everything is great, but right now it's like really cool, and right now we are just waiting. All the grass came a little bit green. So Luna, ven aquí, hija, aquí conmigo. So anyone can confirm if you're listening to me. What kind of sound do you listen the Ajá, las flores, mi amor, muy bonitas. Okay, can you listen to me because it's a little bit windy? I don't know if this microphone can isolate the wind. Mita tapato. Ajá, cuidado te pica, ven aquí. Hey, cuidado que hay un cable ahí y si se caen, tú le peligroso. Well, I cannot see any comments or confirming. Hey, cuidado, Oki. Tío. Ven a jugar, pues. Tío, te estás parando en el cable y vas a tirar todo abajo. Tira para allá, a jugar con Luna. Tira para allá a jugar con Luna. Mita. Ay, ey, te va a picar, Si molesta a los bichos, te pican. Okay, no message confirming the sound, so I guess I will listen it later then. So I just wanted to test this new microphone and the extension basically because it's 5 meters long, or this is 5 meters. No, this is more like 3 meters or something. No, 5 meters long. Moi Teppo. Yeah, just wanted to listen if it's good quality audio over here, and we are enjoying the sun. Fuck's sake, I was missing to go without any hoopari hoodies and jackets and gloves and everything. Right now just wearing a short sleeveless t-shirt and my vest. So it's a really good and cool day. 14 degrees. Okay, now it's coming a lot of wind, so I guess Mita. Hey, Varavasti. And the kids are just playing, watching the ants and all kind of bugs, bees. Well, Upton. What's up, Upton? Upton from Sierpien. I always confuse the band's name. So, any confirmation about the audio quality, or it's a lot of wind? Well, I will check it out later anyways. But hey, actually the colors of the transmission are really good. Bobby, ven aquí, tío. Ven aquí. Siéntate, tío. Ven aquí. Siéntate. Ven aquí, tío. Bobby. Siéntate ahí. Siéntate. Siéntate, tío. Di hola. Tira para allá a jugar. So yeah. Wow. 14 degrees in the southern Finland. I'm so happy today. So yeah, it seems I can finally start to run. I wanted to start to run for many months, but it's always very annoying because in winter you have to have special shoes to not fell and broke your head into the ice or on the ground, and that kind of shoes are like 200 euros. Also the special clothes for running in winter, that's why many people go to run indoors, but I hate to run indoors. So right now is the perfect weather to start to run. I think I will gonna start today. So yeah, it's a great day. We're gonna have a week with this weather all week. So yeah, I just wanted to test this. 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of wind coming right now. Oh, a lot. Hey, se están molestando las hormigas. Se te suben por las piernas y te pican en el culo, tío. No molesten a las hormigas. Los niños, ¿no? Probando con viento. 1, 2, 3. ¿Cómo se escucha? Hay mucho viento ahora mismo. Mucho viento. 1, 2, 3. Hey, ¿habéis visto de qué color es el cielo? Hey, yellow. Yellow es el sol, tío. Blue y white. Muy bien. ¿Y Bobby dónde está? Bueno, I guess. Cuidado con el cable. Vea, pues Luna, muévete. Bueno, I guess this is everything for all. I don't have any comments to confirm it because I guess everybody is working and making a lot of stuff right now. Goodbye, sun. There's a cloud now over the sun, covering the sun. So look the shadow progressively in the back, on my back. Quítense de ahí. Luna, ok, cuidado con el cable, tío. Hey, chicos, quitaros de ahí. Luna, tira para allá. Yo, un caracol. Tío. ¿Dónde está Bobby? Bobby, ven aquí, tío. Okay. End of the sound test in outdoors. I just wanted to check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't have any confirmation, but some people is watching. I guess they are watching, not listening, because I guess everybody is at work right now, and I don't know what time it is. Around 1 p.m. So I don't know if you're watching Bobby right now. Crazy dog. Tú vas a ser el que va a tirar la tablet. Quítate de ahí. No vayas a mirar ahí, tío. Shh, Bobby, tira para allá. Si me hace el cable, me cago en Dios. Hello, Johnny. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of wind coming. Once again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope the audio quality is good enough to go ahead with this audio gear for future interviews. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a lot of wind coming. Actually, there's a lot of wind right now. I don't know if you can listen to it, but there's a lot of wind. So yeah, I will upload these live transmissions to my YouTube channel also, because to see if I can make something more with the YouTube channel. I need to know how YouTubers or people make live interview, live streaming on their YouTube channels. There's a lot of dogs coming, so I had to go now because my dog will just start to mess around with the things. So thank you guys. I will gonna cut this transmission. So cheers. It's a lot of wind now. Oh, a lot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Boom. That was a lot of wind. So cheers, guys.